Good morning, children. This is maths class and we are doing the chapter Tick Tick Tick. In this chapter, in last video, we have converted 12-hour clock time to 24-hour clock time. I hope all of you remember this. And today we are going to continue with the same topic, but today we are going to convert 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. Okay, children? So let's begin. We'll solve some examples to understand this concept. Our first example is 0815 hours. Now, first thing that you should understand here in this example, in this 24-hour clock time, is that the first two digits, they show the hour, and the last two digits show the minutes. But here what you have to do, we have to only change the hour part. We don't have to do any changes in the minutes part, children. Okay, so here as you can see, we have to see that the hour part, is it more than 12 or less than 12? Okay, children, if it is less than 12, we don't have to do any addition or subtraction in that number. Okay, children, with that number or from that number. So you see, this is 8. Okay, if we take only the hour part, it is 8. So in 8 we don't have to, as 8 is less than 12, we don't have to change it by adding or subtracting. We just have to write it as it is with two dots in between, and we have to write AM. So 0815 hours, children, is 8:15 AM. You can remove the 0 from the beginning to make it a 3-digit number when we change it to 12-hour clock time. Okay, children? So 0815 hours is 8:15 AM. Whenever the time is less than 12 hours, then there will be no change and we will follow it with AM. Let's take our next example. Our next example here is 1640 hours. Now here 16 is hour and 40 denotes the minutes. So 1640, 16 here is more than 12, children. That means we need to change it. Now if you remember, when we change from 12 to 24-hour clock time, we added 12 hours. Now we will subtract 12 hours from 16. Now you can do this by subtracting from 1640, we will subtract 1200 hours. So we get here how much, children? 440. Yeah, that means here 4 is hours and 40 is the minutes. And you can do it without working also. You can do it without writing down. You can just do it verbally. 16 minus 12 is 4. So we get 4 as the hour part and the minute part remains as it is. So we get 440. Now what will be followed? It will be followed by what? By PM. If the timing is more than 12, we subtract 12 and we follow it by PM. Okay, dear children, I think you understood these two examples. Now we move to our next example. Here we have 0025 hours. 00 means, we learned in last class that 00 means the midnight, beginning of the day, 12 midnight. So that means it is the beginning of the day. So what will we write in this case? Again, like last time, there is an exception. Here we will add 12 to this, or we will write 12 in place of 00, followed by the minutes, that is 25. It remains as it is. And now this is followed by AM, children. Why? You have to think about it, because it is after midnight, and after midnight we use AM. So this will be followed by AM, 12:25 AM. So whenever there is 0 followed by any minutes, remember to write 12 followed by the same minutes and followed by AM, children. I think you understood that. Now we have 12:55 hours. Although it is not more than 12, but if we take 55 along with 12, it is more than 12. Yeah, but again here is an exception. Although it is more than 12, we will write it as it is, and we will write the minutes followed by 12, and we will write PM here. You have to just imagine, children, that this will come after noon. 12, when the clock strikes 12 during daytime, it is 12 noon. After 12 it is 12:55, so that is 12 PM. That is 12:55 PM, children. So we have written 12:55 PM. So this is also an exception. So please remember these exceptions. In case of 12 and 0, we have to follow these exceptions. Okay. Now comes 0000 hours. You already know this denotes 12 midnight. So when we change from 0000 hours, we will simply write 12 midnight. Okay, children. And last example, 1200 hours. Last time I told you, in place of what we write 1200 hours? In place of 12 noon we write 1200 hours. So in place of 1200 hours we will write 12 noon. So please remember this. 0000 hours if it is given, you will write 12 midnight. 1200 hours is given, you will write 12 noon. And the vice versa is also true. If it is given from 12 hours clock time to 24-hour clock time, you will just do the opposite. Okay, dear children, I think you are now clear with this concept of 24-hour clock time, and you will be now able to do on your own. Thank you so much.